the case designer has come a long way. We have this case easing option, and this applies a wave of your choosing. There's many types to the wall. So I'll just go over a few of these options real quick. Let's set the amplitude to 3, and let's set the easing to linear, and let's generate a case. So we have 2 wall segments, 1, 2, and then the middle one. There's always a middle one. And you can see it's jutting out by 3 millimeters. Now we can increase the number of segments. So let's do that. Okay, and now we have more segments to define that amplitude. Let's increase the amplitude. So you can see how it linearly moves up and then linearly moves down. But let's change this to some sort of easing function. You can see now it's got a smooth bend to it, but it's still very low resolution. That's okay. We can increase this arbitrarily. You don't want to do it too much. You want to do it as little as you need for the quality that you want. So now it's going to be made of 40 segments. And you can see now it's a lot smoother. The ease is starting at the bottom and ending at the top. This is only 80 millimeters tall, so that just defaults to the top. But because we know this is 80 millimeters tall, we can start the easing, let's say 10 below halfway, and end the easing 10 above halfway. And then now let's see how that changes it. See, now you can see the easing function is concentrated it starts at the 30 millimeter point and ends at the 50 millimeter point. The easing can be inverted. It doesn't have to be positive. Check it out. We can do a circular easing. I'll show you what that looks like currently with a positive amplitude. It's very circular. Now we can invert that amplitude. Let's go -3. It's a 5 millimeter wall, so it won't go through. That's good. And here we have it. So this will allow people to make totally custom casings. I like the Expo. I really encourage everybody to go through and try different easing functions with different settings. And look, this is just a frequency of 1. Here, let's do it over the entire thing. And let's do a frequency of 4. And let's do 100 segments. So it's going to be a lot. It's going to take a while to generate. But it should look really smooth and curvy. And there we have it.